Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Craving something delicious and easy for dinner? Today, we're diving into the magic of honey garlic chicken, a dish that's surprisingly simple to master. It's perfect for those busy evenings when you want a homemade meal without spending hours in the kitchen. Get ready to create a truly irresistible meal that everyone will love, full of sweet and savory notes, ensuring a delightful dinner experience. Let's gather our ingredients. You'll be pleased by how simple they are. Grab some boneless, skinless chicken thighs or breasts, whichever you prefer. For the irresistible sauce, we'll need honey, soy sauce, minced fresh garlic, and a hint of fresh ginger. A splash of apple cider vinegar, a little cornstarch, and some cooking oil will complete our list. First, we prepare our chicken. Cut your boneless chicken into even bite-sized pieces. This helps it cook quickly and evenly. In a bowl, whisk together the honey, soy sauce, minced garlic, ginger, and a touch of vinegar. Add your chicken to this fantastic marinade, ensuring every piece is coated. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes or even better, a few hours in the fridge for maximum flavor absorption. Now for the exciting part, cooking. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add your marinated chicken, searing it until it's beautifully golden brown and fully cooked. This creates a wonderful texture. Next, pour in any remaining marinade, letting it bubble and simmer. Watch as the sauce thickens into a rich, glossy coating, perfectly clinging to every piece of chicken. Your incredible honey garlic chicken is now ready to serve. Transfer it to a serving platter, and for a beautiful touch, sprinkle with fresh chopped green onions or a dash of sesame seeds. It pairs perfectly with steamed jasmine rice, a side of stir-fried noodles, or even some crisp steamed broccoli. Take a moment to appreciate the sweet, savory, and wonderfully garlicky flavors you've created. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.